Iherya Uganda ryachoreka kurungi ngo kitekateko cyo kurwa umuyanga ya Congo tikirabeho bakahabireyo obusingye.
We are still there. I can't tell you how much more time we have, and I can't tell you when we are leaving, but we are still in Congo. When the two governments still want us to be there to sort out those insecurities, we shall continue staying there. When the time comes and the government thinks we are not needed anymore, it's time for us to leave, we shall leave.
Omukwezi kwa 11 omwaka gw'2021 iherya Uganda erya UPDF rukwatanise n'iherya Congo bakatandikaho ekikwekweto ekibayesire Operation Suja kurwanisa abazahambuki ba ADF abari omuyihanga rya Congo. Major General Olum nagira ngo bwahati baramuno bakora n'abantu baburijo kureba ngo bahindura ahambera y'ebyo kwerinda omuyanga.
We work in conjunction with the population in Congo DRC. We have gone with our original UPDF CIMIC tendency attitude, where we look at civilians as part of us. We do those things that we do as UPDF.
Okurijara ahamudumizogu mpora abarwana ba ADF nibaza kubakwata okusya obwekizuwe kikirahwereho cyumwe.
Asante sana. Like they recently tried to come to Toroko. In Toroko, they crossed thinking we were asleep. We hit them, we killed those we killed, and picked those that we captured alive, even to the extent of catching the commander who came with them. We picked over 30 guns from that team that crossed in Toroko.
Major General Olom una nabwo yakoresa mu gishogo kwamiza abantu bo mu cyanga cya Toro ngo iherya UPDF riyehire yo kubakuma kureba utubatiganisubwa bazahambuki.
To tell the people in Toro, especially in Fort Portal City, that the UPDF is there to give you all the protection you need. We work with the people. You could see us move with the mayor, Mayor Yonga Adieri. You could see us move with the divisional mayors, the police, the prisons. This is the pro-people's army.
Agacencwire Agacencwire.